Good day, I'm Yuniran Raj Kiragu A188292 from Group Project 2. This is a case study of Nestle Products in Rubber Huts production planning practices. These are our team members, beginning with Alif Daniel, Muhammad Faisal, Satish Kumar, Azim Fadli, and myself. Nestle Products in Rubber Hut is a leading food beverage manufacturer in Malaysia. It produces Maggi brands such as Nestle, Milo, Maggi, and Nescafe and KitKat, and it also operates multiple factories and distribution centers nationwide. The objectives of this case study is to analyze how Nestle manages efficient, high quality, and sustainable production, to connect classroom PPC concepts with real world industrial application, to identify strengths, challenges, and areas for future improvement. The scope of this project will be a virtual case study on Nestle's production planning and control PPC practices, and also focus on key areas such as SOP, inventory, scheduling, facility layout, lean manufacturing, and digital tools. The research methods will be data collection through Nestle's reports, official website, videos, job listing, and academic articles, and also virtual interviews with industry experienced people.
We conduct data research through virtual means, utilizing a combination of secondary data sources. There are 6 data collection strategies. First, we explore Nestle official website and social media platforms, such as Instagram and Facebook, to gather baseline information. Second, we conduct virtual interview and informal discussion with individual experience in manufacturing. Third, we review corporate documents such as Nestle annual report, sustainability report, and their CSB report for verified data. Fourth, we use job platforms like LinkedIn and JobStreet to examine organizational role and planning related position. Fifth, we analyze online video materials, including factory tours and company documentaries to visualize production flows. Lastly, we refer to academic publication to benchmark Nestle practice against theoretical models.
Next, we are going to look through the results and discussion. The first thing will be on company operations, which include input, process, and output. In input, we have raw materials, human resources, technology and equipment, as well as utilities and information. Whereas in process, we have raw material handling, processing and quality control, and packaging and distribution. As for output, we have tangible outputs, byproducts, intangible outputs, and overall impact. There are flows chart for these Nestle products, which is inbounded logistics, operations, outbound logistics, marketing and sales, and lastly, service. Next, the organizational structure and chart. Nestle organizational structure are divided into 3 management. The first one is top management, which include of board of directors, CEO, executive vice presidents, and so on. Secondly, middle management, which involves in regional and business unit managers. Lower management, there are, for example, the plant managers, line supervisors, and also the team leaders. Now we are going to look through the facility layout at Nestle. We have 2 main layout. The first one is process-oriented layout. Secondly, the product-oriented layout. There are also a few main operation, for example, the receiving area, storage area, mixing area, quality control laboratory, packaging area, and lastly, the shipping area.
Let's continue with the Nestle's approach to production planning and control. Nestle supplies a fully integrated production planning and control framework across its operations. Key elements include forecasting, scheduling, quality assurance, and distribution. All of this is coordinated through SAP ERP, supported by MES and IoT technologies. The main goal is consistent product availability while minimizing waste. In terms of planning tools, Nestle uses SNOP to align demand with capacity and MPS to schedule production. MRP ensure timely raw material procurement, all integrated through the SAP systems. For example, during peak demand like Hari Raya, the system forecasts spike in Milo demand and automatically adjusts production and raw material planning. Nestle uses a mix of JIT and FIFO for raw materials, barcode tracking for WIP, and WMS for finished goods. Scheduling is done using finite capacity scheduling like Kanban boards and IoT dashboards. Lean practices like 5S, Kaizen, and SMART have improved efficiency. For instance, reducing Maggie's changeover from 60 to 45 minutes and cutting defects nearly by half. Finally, quality is ensured through standards like HACCP and ISO 22000, monitored in real time via SAP. Digital tools include AI forecasting, digital twins for simulation, and blockchain for ingredient traceability, especially important for products like infant cereal. This shows Nestle's strong integration of quality and digital innovation into its PPC systems.
Nestle production system is strong because digital tools plan and track work well. Efficiency method reduce waste, quality check keep food safe. But 2 problems need fixing: confusion from dual bosses and tech breakdown risk. Overall, it is a good system that needs small improvement. To secure Nestle's market leadership, we propose 5 strategic priorities. First, fortify digital resilience with cloud-backed SAP system to eliminate downtime production. Second, scale blockchain traceability across all products, especially infant nutrition, to accelerate recalls by 48% and rebuild customers' trust. Third, localize cocoa and dairy sourcing through Malaysian farm partnership and digital suppliers portal, slashing lead times by 32%. Fourth, invest in certified industry 4.0 training to boost technician productivity by 22%. Finally, pioneer circular sustainability by converting waste to bioenergy and shift to plant-based packaging to achieve 90% landfill production.